Next, we need to set up the BOT to send automatic notifications. In the main settings window, click Automation. The BOT settings window opens. Bot order is already created here. Click on Bot order. In the Run this process section, click on Sent a notification. Scroll down to the To section, click on Add. Then enter your store's email address here. Click Save to save. This completes the BOT setup on the Apps sheet. Next, we need to set it up on Google Sheet. Reopen the Google Sheet file managing orders, Order Management. Go to the sheet name for setting up notifications, setting new order notifications. We will perform the setup on the AppSheet table. Here, we need to fill in 2 fields. First is App ID. The App ID is used by the system to identify the application in the AppSheet environment. Second is Access Key. The Access Key is used to verify users when accessing the application on the AppSheet. To begin, fill in the App ID field. On the AppSheet setup screen, click Settings. Then click Integrations. In the Integrations window, enable On at Enable. Then copy the entire string of characters in the App ID field. Return to the AppSheet setup table in Google Sheet. You'll paste the copied App ID string into the corresponding field. Next, fill in the access key. Back in the AppSheet window, click Create Application Access Key, and the system will generate the access key string. Make sure to enable access key. Then click Show Access Key, and your access key string will appear. Copy the entire access key string. Returning to the Google Sheet settings, we will paste the copied string into the corresponding information field. Now we will enable notifications via AppSheet when a new order is placed, New Order. And when a customer confirms the order, Verify Order. This completes the setup for receiving notifications via AppSheet.